and then we write some word problems in the notebook. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So first, I will explain you one word problem. We will discuss that it is addition, it is subtraction, and how to do it. Listen, everyone. If you please write the digits in your notebook, then only you will recognize that what to be done in that. We will do addition or we will do subtraction, right? Show me thumbs up if you are clear till now. Yes, good.
Ma'am, actually, I joined late. Can you tell what happened?
Just now I started.
Okay.
Okay. So we are going to do the word problems today. I will explain you one word problem. If you are not good in memorizing the digits, so please write in the notebooks and then you please tell me whether it is a subtraction or the addition word problem. I will explain you first, then you come up with your own word problems with the liters and milliliters. You will make your own word problems, right? Now, a bucket hold. Bucket, yes.
Ma'am, there is a problem in the Google form. In the last question.
Okay, what is the problem?
1 minute.
Trisha, can we discuss this after the class?
Ma'am,
Okay. Okay.
ma'am, I have a problem. Can I ask? I have a question.
Related to the last topic?
No, the topic, the word problems thing.
Okay, yes, tell me.
Means you have said that if you are not good in memorizing the numbers, then only you will do it in notebook, or else
Yes,
you can.
yes. If you can do it mentally, you can do it in mentally also. So, okay. First,
Renu, ma'am, can you explain one more time because there was some network issue?
I will start with one word problem to explain you. You write the digits in your notebook and solve it. Okay. Please keep your
Okay.
microphones off.
We have to solve it in notebook.
Yes, yes, do it in your notebook. It will be okay. Everything smooth with you all. So now I will start a bucket hold. Bucket, you all know what? Bucket is what? Can you
Join us now. What we have to do?
Lakshya, please
Ma'am,
next time join
ma'am,
on time.
may I say?
I have not started. I'm going to start now.
Page number.
Ma'am,
No any page number. Open the notebooks.
ma'am, may I say? Ma'am,
Yes,
may I
Lamha. What
say?
is bucket?
I was saying that bucket is a source of water in which we can hold water.
Okay. So a bucket hold 5 liter 325 milliliter. Write fast. A bucket hold 5 liter 325 milliliter of milk.
Ma'am, in textbook or notebook?
Farzan, you have a space to write in the textbook.
Ma'am,
Where you will write?
327 or 3, ma'am, I just joined it. Which page number? Please.
Children, first of all, please join on time. The class always will start on time. If you will join late, you will suffer. The teacher will not suffer. Other students will not suffer. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes,
Next time, I will instruct to my co-teacher. She will block the link. You will not able to enter in the class. Please write this word problem in your notebook. A bucket hold.
ma'am, but wait. Okay. My notebook.
A bucket hold 5 liter 325 milliliter of milk. If 1 liter 785 milliliter
Ma'am,
of
can you repeat?
a bucket holds
Yes.
5
Ma'am,
liter, you only have to write the digits, no need to write the full word problem. A bucket holds 5 liter 325 milliliter of milk. If make that switch your mic off.
ma'am, you write it in the chat box.
Okay, I will write in the chat box. A bucket hold 5 liter 325 milliliter of milk. Right till here. If
Twisha, maybe there is some network issue. Please log out and log in again if you will not hear.
Ma'am, we have to, ma'am, we have to write this full.
it's your choice, but you should write digits at least. Now no messages. If you will message, I will not able to write. Next
Ma'am,
line
if
is,
I'm writing
Ma'am, I can't
last
hear
rough
you
page, it's
properly.
okay.
Trisha, log out and log in again fast. If 1 liter 785 1 liter 785 milliliter of water is added to make it full. So what is the capacity of the bucket? If 1 liter, first line was already shared. So what?
Ma'am, we can write only the digits.
Yes.
7 liter, 110 milliliter.
What, Ayansh?
7 liter.
Ma'am, 7 liter 160 milliliter is the answer.
Vivan, you are wrong. Ayansh is right. Yes. 7 liter 110 milliliter. Ayansh, what you have done, you have added it, or you have done the subtraction in this? Ayansh,
Yes, ma'am. Subtraction.
you have done subtraction. Ayansh, don't look here and there. You have to give me the answer.
Ma'am, I do in book, so I one time check.
Yes, check it first.
Plus.
What is plus? Why you, Ayansh, why you have done addition in this? Can you please explain me? Dhairya, please check your answer. Prisha, you are right.
Ma'am, can I say?
Prisha, you also right? No.
Ma'am,
Ayansh will explain me. Ayansh, why we have to do the addition here?
ma'am, because we have to know the total water it is.
Okay, can anyone explain? Please raise your hand only. Yes, Anya, can you please explain why we have to do the addition in this?
Yes, ma'am. Because there is a total amount of that
They want to know the total capacity of the bucket, right?
total capacity. If
Oh,
so, we have to plus that, and we got the answer that is total capacity. So we
very
have
good.
plus.
Now, Trisha, your answer is done. Trisha, can you do one thing? Can you put this answer question in the chat box one more time? Because Ekansh want this. Can you write it in the chat box?
Okay, ma'am.
Not the answer, you have to write the question.
Ma'am, I is right.
I have written the question.
Yes, Karnav is right.
Ma'am, I have written the question in notebook and answer also. It is correct.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have written the sum and do the answer.
Jahan Jariwala, check your answer. Check your answer, Jahan. Vivan, you are right. Rudra Master, you are right. Okay, now one by one, I will ask from you Can you make any word problem related with addition and subtraction of liters and milliliters? Now, I will call the child name. That child only first make the word problem. Arav Patel. Yes, Anya Mittal, your answer is right.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes,
ma'am.
Ramya.
Yeah, ma'am. I was asking that, ma'am. Only liter and milliliter.
Which chapter we are learning? We are learning with the capacities.
Yeah, ma'am. I was asking that is liter and milliliter only there, so we can add of kilograms or grams also.
That is already discussed. The chapter is done. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Arav Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Rahil, I will come back to you.
Ma'am, I have right one good word problem. No, ma'am.
If everyone will switch on their microphones together, I will not answer to any single child. Yes, Arav Patel. Can you please answer? Can you please make any word problem with the capacity?
Yes.
Please make. Trisha, start typing his word problem in the chat box. Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, I have a box.
Hmm.
It can take 100 pencil.
My dear, make the word problem with the liters and milliliters. We are doing the capacities.
And I have a bottle of
Yes.
5 liter and 628 milliliters.
Trisha, please write.
Arav, can you repeat the question?
Trisha will write in the chat box. Trisha will write. Trisha, don't worry.
Ma'am, we have to write. Ma'am, I have a bottle of.
Nobody has to write what now we are discussing. Now he will discuss and he will tell me the answers. Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, I have a bottle of 5 liter and 628 milliliters. It can take milk. It can take milk of 528 milliliters, and it can take water of 5 liters.
520 milliliters. 500 liters and 20 milliliters.
No. 5 liter. 5 liter and 528 milliliters.
Okay. Then what you will do next? You either have to add or you have to subtract.
We have to add.
Okay.
Then it can take water of 5 liter and 628 milliliters.
Okay.
And we have to add.
So you have to what you have to do?
And we have to add it.
So what will be the total?
Ma'am, total it
Other
will be.
children, be ready with one example. Be ready.
Ma'am, after that I didn't understood what Arav said.
Even I also didn't understood. Arav, you should be clear. I will come back to you, right?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I try?
No, I will tell the child name. If you say can I, your chance will not come. Yes, Priya, you are ready? Priya, you are ready with the word problem?
Yes, ma'am. A bottle is of 5 liters, 500 milliliters.
Okay.
And another jug is of 3 liters, 725 milliliters. Then how much milk does the jug contain than the bottle?
Very good. So what you will do in this case?
Minus.
Very good. Anushka. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a jug that contains 6 liters and 250 milliliters, and it is the half of the bottle. But
Okay.
my friend gave me more 2 liters and 620 milliliters. So, how much I will get? And then when I go I go to a shop and then sell it off. I sell it. I sell to 1 liter and 100 ml. So how much does the milk water is left with me?
So you will do what in this?
First we will plus the amount I have and my friend gave. Then
Yes.
how much I sold in the shop I will minus with the answer.
Very good. Excellent. Now, next, Ekansh. Ekansh, you are ready with the word problem? I said already at least one word problem everyone has to make. Their own word problem. Ekansh.
Made it yet.
Yes. Not prepared yet?
Yes.
Those who are ready with the word problem, please raise your hand. Yes, Vivan Patel. Lama, you are ready?
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Fast.
Farzan, ma'am, I'm ready.
Ma'am, can I say?
Farzan, let first Vivan Patel will speak and then I will come back to you.
If I have a football for rupees.
My dear, here how the rupees and paisa is coming.
Yes, ma'am. If I have a bottle of water.
Water comes in the bottle only, not in the bucket, not in the tank, not in the any container it can come, no? Use the other containers.
A tank carries 10 liters, 628 milliliters of
Yes.
petrol. And after going to the factory, more 1 liter and
Who is this? Some background voices are coming, please. Yes, Vivan. Then?
Yes, ma'am. After going, it somehow came of 1 liter and 100 milliliter. So we will do. So how many more? How many more?
Much? Not more. Many.
How
It will
much?
not. Yes.
How much more water will added into the tank?
It
In
was
the
what?
tank.
It was water in the beginning, or it was petrol in the beginning?
Petrol, ma'am.
Yes. Now next, Fazan.
Ma'am, we will do plus.
Yes. Fazan.
Ma'am, can I see the answer in chat box? Means can I write it?
You write in your notebook.
Go, Arav, and come back fast.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have a jug of 15 milliliter and a glass of 2 liter. Then I have a petrol of 1000 milliliter.
You mixing what jug and petrol? Can you please repeat it again?
Yes, ma'am. I have a jug that is 3 milliliters.
Okay.
And I have a water bottle that is 10 liters. Then I have, and my friend have that it is also a jug of 5 milliliters and a
5
water
milliliters only.
5 liters. 5
Yes.
liters and a jug of 15 milliliters.
This much calculation.
Devyosha, can you please switch off your mic, please? Yes.
Will you do this much calculation together?
Then I will add, ma'am, the total answer.
Okay. Dharya, please come up with one word problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Anushka,
First,
sit properly.
ma'am, I have first,
Farzan, mic off.
ma'am, he has gone somewhere. Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. No, I am asking from Dharya. Yes, Dharya.
Yeah. First, I had a tanker in that the capacity of liters and milliliters is 6 liters, 655 milliliter. Then my friend gave me 1 liter, 509 milliliter.
Why
Then,
always the addition comes? You can give also to your friend, right?
okay, but ma'am,
Okay,
right now I have
okay.
kept ready. Then,
No problem. Continue.
if I add, so I have 8 liter, 164 milliliter. Then I went to shop. I went to a shop. I buy 6 liter,
Answer properly.
109 milliliter. So the total, what will be the total amount? And the answer is 14 liter to 73 milliliter. Ma'am, now.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, can I now, please?
Which child is this?
Rudra.
Rudra, yes. Can you come up with one word problem?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have written
Okay,
a word problem in the chat box.
Yes. Meantime, I'm checking the chat box also. And very good, Prisha. She is writing the word problems in the chat box.
So now I can get.
Yes. Children, those who are not getting the chance, they start writing frame one word problem and write in the chat box. Because meantime, I'm checking the chat box also.
We have to say the word.
Ma'am, I'm speaking. Can I go next?
Ma'am,
Yes, answer also you write in the chat box. Answer also write in the chat box. Write the question also in the Rudra, wait.
Yes.
And question also in the chat box. And write what you will do. You will add or you will subtract.
Ma'am.
Yes, Dhyan Dalal.
Ma'am, can I go next? Ma'am, I have a
Rudra will do
subtraction word
first.
problem.
Yes, write in the chat box. Because I think everyone will not get the chance. So you can write in the chat box also.
Ma'am, it is a little big type.
Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, so there are.
Because after the class, I check the chat box also. Okay. Here also I'm checking and I get all the records of chat box. I will check it. Yes, Rudra.
There are 2 neighbors. First neighbor name is Ram and the second neighbor name is Sam. So, first neighbor has a water tank of 5 liter, and
Yes.
the second neighbor has the tank of 7 liter. So, the both want to know who has the more and from how much more they have. So
Okay. So what you will do?
they will subtract 7 from 5 and the answer will be 2. So the second neighbor has more capacity than the first neighbor from 2 liters.
Very good. I'm going to present the screen. Along with that, I'll ask the word problems from the children also. And the word problems which I'm going to present on the screen, you please write in your notebook and solve. Everyone, please write this in your notebook and solve. 3 milkmen are separately carrying 36 liter 250 milliliter, 58 liter 396 milliliter, and 66 liter
Ma'am,
325 milliliter of milk
Ma'am,
in
we
their
have to write the
containers.
word problem question.
Ma'am, I have to write
Yes.
it in a problem in chat box. That's why I cannot write this.
Okay, so after completing, you please write it in the notebook. Find out what is the total quantity of milk with them. So what we will do here, the word total is also used. So what we will do here, we will add or we will subtract.
Ma'am, we have to write
Children, please
the full sentence.
yes, everything. Solve the following word problems. Write this question and start solving. And please first tell me, this is the subtraction or the addition word problem?
Addition, because there is the
Addition,
total. There is total
addition.
with them.
Okay,
And
good, good.
whenever
Okay, now start.
total will come, it will be the addition.
Ma'am, can I say my word problem?
Yes.
Ma'am, if
Please write this in your notebook. Yes, tell me, Visha.
Ma'am, if I have a bucket of 3 liter and 365 milliliter, and a
Okay.
jug of 1 liter and 465 milliliter, then how
Yes.
much less is jug than a bucket?
Okay, very good. How much? You will do addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Very good. Next child, Vivan
Ma'am,
Balchandani.
please, I can.
I will come back, Lamha. Vivan Balchandani. He is there in the class. Kanak ma'am.
Ma'am, he has left the meeting.
Yes, yes,
Oh,
ma'am. No,
Can you
I
please
cannot
help
see.
me? Yeah,
Yes.
can you please, Kanak ma'am, help me from the alphabetical order to give them names?
Okay. Yes. Anya Mittal, Arna
She is there.
Agarwal.
Arna
हाँ, हाँ.
Agarwal will try now. Arna Agarwal.
Ma'am,
Arna, you try one word problem
I
and tell.
can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am. A bottle holds 5 liter and 144 milliliter of juice. 4 liter and 123 milliliter juice fall down. How much juice is left in the bottle?
Yes, Arna, can you please try again?
excuse me, ma'am. We have to write this sum and answer in the notebook.
See, if I explain in the
I have
beginning
the
only,
word problem in the chat box.
I have explained in the beginning only, you have to write the word problem and write the solution also. Am I clear now to everyone? Am I clear? Yes, Arna, can you please explain it again? Due to some connectivity, I was logged out.
Ma'am,
you
I
please
want to see the.
A
Ma'am,
jug.
please write the chat box.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, Arna will continue. Yes, Arna.
A jug holds 5 liter and 144 milliliter of juice. 4 liter and 123 milliliter juice fall down. How much juice is left in the jug?
So what you will do in this?
I will subtract.
What will be the answer? Have you done that?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
1 liter and 0.21 milliliter.
Okay. Next, ma'am, give the name to other child.
Ashvi is the next one.
Ashvi. Ashvi, yes. Ashvi, you are there in the class, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Please try one word problem. Make it by your own.
I have written in chat box.
Can you please repeat it?
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
And by the time everyone has to do this word problem in their notebooks.
Yes, ma'am. A water tank holds 5 liter, 100 milliliter. I put 2 liter, 250 milliliter more. What is the total capacity of water? We have to plus that, and the answer is 7 liter, 350 milliliter.
So you were having 10 liters, right?
Yes, ma'am.
10 liters and how many milliliters in the beginning?
No, ma'am, 5 liter and 100.
Okay, okay. Then it's right. Okay. I was thinking it is 10 liters. Okay. Next child, ma'am.
Anushka.
Anushka is done. After
Then
that,
Anvi. Anvi.
Anvi. Anvi, yes, please.
Ma'am,
Anvi, yes, fast. Children, I'm going to change this now. One more word problem.
No, ma'am, I have not done it.
Why you have not done, my dear? For so long it was there on the
Ma'am,
screen.
just 2 minutes.
Just check your answer.
please scroll it back.
Ma'am, can you send
Yes,
the photo in the classroom?
No. Yes, Anvi.
Ma'am, I have written the question also.
Very good. Everyone has to write the question also. Anvi, you will try or I give chance to other child?
No, ma'am, I will try.
Oh,
I bought a cylinder of 6 liter, 25 milliliter. And my friend gave 4 liter and 0 ml. And I sell 2 liter 75 ml.
mm-hmm.
So how much
Amount.
liter I have?
So what you will do in that?
First I will plus and then I will minus.
Good. Next child, ma'am.
Aryaman Sanghai.
Aryaman Sanghai. Yes. Switch on your mic and camera and please speak. Aryaman Sanghai, I will give chance to other child if you will not switch on your mic on time.
Children, I request you don't send the message how much time is left. Teachers knows very well.
Ma'am, can you give me 1 minute? I am writing the answer of that.
Now next child will speak. Ma'am, Aryaman Sanghai ke baad.
After that, Ayansh Jain.
Yes, Ayansh. Ayansh is done, ma'am. Next child.
Ayush.
Ma'am, can you just scroll little back? I want to just check my answer.
Ma'am, I have just sent it in the box.
Check your answer.
Ma'am, I have not done my question and answer.
Ayansh, I will come back to you. Okay, I will come back after Ayush. Yes, Ayush.
I have 6 liter, 100 milliliter of melted chocolate.
Ma'am,
My
little bit
friend-
more. Just little only left.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you do some more back? I want to see.
No, you please write the question fast. Solution you can do it later on also. Please write the
Ma'am.
question fast.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Ayush. Continue.
I have 6 liter, 100 milliliter of melted chocolate. My friend gave me the same amount of melted chocolate on my birthday, and I gave 3 liter to him on his birthday. How much is left with me?
Okay. So what you will do?
I will first add these the six. I will first add 6 liter 100 milliliter plus 6 liter plus 100 milliliter,
Yes.
and then subtract 3 liter out of it.
Good. Next child, ma'am. After Ayansh, you try now. After Ayush.
Dhairya has done. After that, Dhyan Dalal.
Ma'am, first I will check with Ayansh, then Dhyan Dalal. Ayansh.
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
start?
please. Yes, yes.
I take 10 liter and 100 milliliter of juice.
Mm-hmm.
I also took 20 liter and 200 milliliter cold
Mm-hmm.
drink. Find
Okay.
the capacity. We have to plus
No, what you want to find first? Find the total
amount.
amount.
No, ma'am.
Find the
Milliliter.
total capacities of both the bottles, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. So have what you have done in subtraction or addition?
ma'am. Plus.
Okay. Now there is done. Dhyan Dalal, please start. Dhyan Dalal.
Yes, ma'am. If
Dhyan, just a minute. Children, if you not switch on your microphone on time, I will give chance immediately to the other child. Yes, Dhyan.
ma'am, if I have a milk, I am a milk seller, and I have a milk jar of 5 liters and 550 ml, and I give it to Vivan Patel 4 liter and 550 ml. So how many?
How many not? It will be how much?
How
Many
much?
will come when you count the things, right?
How much milk is left with me? It is an subtraction.
Very good. Next, after Dhyan Dalal, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am there.
After Dhyan, it is Ekansh, but Ekansh has completed. Farzan also Freya. I
No,
think
ma'am.
she is.
I think Ekansh has not completed. He was
Okay.
Yes, Ekansh.
Then can you show the?
Yes, Ekansh.
I had a bottle of Sprite that contains 3 liter 965 milliliter.
Hmm.
If I drink 2 liter 655 milliliter,
Hmm.
so how much is left with me?
What you will do?
Subtraction.
Okay. After Freya is done, after Ekansh.
1 liter 310 milliliter is left with me.
Okay. Good. After Freya,
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Riva Kataria, you can't hear me?
After that, Gunav is there, ma'am.
Okay. Gunav?
Ma'am, I am leaving. Okay, I have a class now. Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Gunav, you try one word problem. Children, please complete this fast.
Ma'am, I have completed it. Can you show that? Completed.
Gunav, please try one word problem. Gunav,
I have completed this.
Gunav, you are doing or not? Okay, I give next child. Jahan Jariwala.
Ma'am, please present the screen.
Jahan Jariwala.
Yes.
Yes, please
Yes,
make
ma'am, I
one
have
word
it.
problem and tell me.
If I have a soda can of 20 liters and 0 milliliters, and I add 14 liters and 10 milliliters to it, what is the total?
So what you will? Yes. So what
Capacity.
you will do is?
So I will do addition, and the answer is 34 liters and 10
Very
milliliters.
good. Next, Jahan Agarwal.
Yes,
Jahan Agarwal. Yes,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
try.
If I have a bottle of water 5 liter and
Mm-hmm.
2 liter and 30 milliliter fell down, how
Mm-hmm.
much liter and milliliter I have?
So what you will do?
I will minus 5.05 liter and 00 milliliter, 2 liter and 30 milliliter.
So your answers will come. Two answers will come. Karnav, yes, I forgot you. Karnav, you also try
Ma'am,
one
I
word problem.
want to also try.
Karnav,
Ma'am, can you tell what you have done in the chat box? I complete my work. I don't know what you are saying.
children, if you all speak together, I will mute everyone. Riva, Riva, you can't hear me. Riva, you log out and log in again. Fast. Only 1 minute is left. Fast. Gunav, I cannot hear you clearly, but okay, you have tried. Next time, please check the connectivity because I cannot hear you completely.
Ma'am, may I see the next word problem?
Okay, children, complete this with the answer. And today,
Ma'am, I can tell one word problem. I
I will
have
ask.
one.
I will ask in the next class. No, don't worry. Okay. I will give the next class chance to the next other children. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Bye,
be
ma'am.
ready for.
Bye.
Please be ready for
Bye,
CET
ma'am.
on Monday.
Bye, ma'am.
And
Bye, ma'am.
I will send you the Google form today's all first in your notebook, right? And then attempt it in the final answer in the Google form.
Yes.